Talend Academy is excited to bring you new enhancements to your learning experience, making your learning journey more challenging and fun. Get ready to compete in the Datalympics. Start today by playing our game. The road to the Datalympics is a fun way for you to learn how to use Talend Academy to take advantage of all the different learning opportunities available with your subscription. As you work your way through the game, you'll be guided throughout Talend Academy as you collect the gear you'll need to compete in the Datalympics. Along the way, you'll learn how Talend Academy works, how to navigate it, and how to use its resources. And when you complete the game, you'll earn your Academy Datalympics qualifier badge. Then, continue your journey and win more medals in our lifelong learner badge track. Each event will motivate you to learn new skills and grow in your career as you earn bronze, silver, and gold medals. Learn how to earn these badges by exploring our badge tracks in Talend Academy. Get off to a fast start with Talent Technology and earn sprint event badges. Diversify your skills by using all the resources Talend Academy offers and earn decathlon event badges. Stay in shape and keep your skills sharp as you earn training and conditioning event badges. And push yourself to new heights when you go after our high jump event badges. As you progress along your learning journey, you can earn points to rise up the leaderboard and share your new skills and accomplishments on social media. Keep going further by completing seasonal challenges. Check back often to complete these new games. And, over time, you can work your way to the ultimate accomplishment, marathon event badges. With Talend Academy, your learning experience will be motivating and fun. So check it out today and get ready for the Datalympics.